If you just installed Linux on your computer and you have no idea how to navigate around in your folders using only commands, then don't worry because I will show you just how easy it really is. In this video, we will cover the make directory command to make a new directory, the cd command to move between directories, the touch command to create new types of files, the ls command to list files in a directory, and the remove command to remove files. So first, we'll create a new folder, and to do this, we have to open up the terminal. One shortcut you should get used to using is pressing Ctrl-Alt-T to quickly open up the terminal. Now we want to create a new folder, so we will use the make directory command. So by typing MKDIR and then the name we want the directory to be called, in this case I'm going to use foods, and it will create a new folder called foods once we press enter. But you will see that nothing seems to have happened, but the folder was created, and we can move our current directory to the foods folder that we just created by using the change directory command. So if we type cd foods, we will move into the foods folder. You will see that our current directory is now showing us our path to the foods folder. Now that we are inside our newly created folder, we should fill this folder with some files. And to do that, we will have to use the touch command. So if we type touch apple.txt, it will create a text file called apple inside of the foods folder. The cool part is that you can create multiple files at once with just one command. So if we type touch pear.txt, orange.txt, grape.txt, and press enter, it will create 3 separate text documents with the names pear, orange, and grape. But how do we know what's inside of the foods folder now? It's super easy to lose track of the contents of the folder, so it only makes sense that there has to be a way to find out what is inside of it. The list command is our answer to this problem. So if you were to type just ls in our current directory and press enter, it will list all the files found inside. So we will see apple.txt, grape.txt, orange.txt, and pear.txt. This one is definitely one of my favorite commands because it really makes navigating around using the terminal so much easier. So now, what if we want to delete a file that we no longer want? We will have to use the remove command. So let's say we want to remove grape.txt. So we will have to type rm grape.txt and press enter. We will see that nothing has seemed to happen, but if we use the list command again, it will list all the files currently inside our foods folder, which are now apple.txt, orange.txt, and pear.txt, with the grape.txt no longer being here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a new upload. And if this video helped you out in any way, please be sure to leave a comment below. I'll be posting more videos like this one in the future. See ya.